good. Sorry for all the butter, but I like to drown my French bread in butter.
In Tagalog,
Sarap. Sarap.
in Bisaya,
Umbut.
That was pathetic.
lami.
Lami. Yeah,
There we
lami.
go, lami. Today we are making Filipino Style Spaghetti. Here are the ingredients for making Filipino Style Spaghetti. In a pot, boil water over medium-high heat. Add salt. Then stir to combine. When the water is boiling, add the noodles and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to check the noodles. Fish out one noodle and break it in half. A thin ring in the middle means the noodles are cooked, or you can taste it to make sure. When cooked, turn the fire off. Save 2 cups of the pasta water. Drain the remaining water completely. Rinse the pasta with cold drinking water to keep it firm and keep it from sticking to each other. Then set it aside for later. Using the same pot, cook the sausage over medium-high heat. To make the sausage less salty, you may add 1 cup of water. Cover and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until cooked. When cooked, push the meat to the side to separate the water. Discard the water by using paper towel or drain it completely in the sink. Then add and saute the shallots until translucent. Add and saute the garlic until fragrant. Add and cook the hot dogs for 2 minutes. Then stir to combine. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Pour the spaghetti sauce. Put 1 cup of the pasta water in the bottle and shake well. Pour all of it in the pot. Add some ketchup. Stir thoroughly to combine. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent from burning. Add the milk, ground black pepper, and sugar. Stir thoroughly again to combine. Simmer for 2 more minutes. Then add the cooked noodles. Stir thoroughly to coat the noodles with the pasta sauce. Simmer for 2 more minutes and turn the heat off. Here is my Filipino style spaghetti. Serve warm with your favorite French bread with butter. Enjoy!